In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a calendar view in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the space folder or list where your tasks are stored. This is important because the calendar view will be created inside that specific location, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're there, look at the top of the page and click the plus view option. This is where ClickUp lets you add a new way to display and manage your tasks. From the available view types, choose Calendar. This tells ClickUp that you want to organize your tasks visually by date, which is especially helpful for planning workloads, tracking deadlines, and seeing your schedule at a glance. Next, enter a name for your calendar view. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to find later, especially if you use multiple views for different purposes. After naming it, set the visibility for the view. You can decide whether the view should be personal or available to others depending on how you want to use it and who needs access. After that, click Create View. Your calendar view will open, and from here you can choose the layout that works best for your planning style. You can switch between a day, week, or month view depending on how much detail you want to see. The day layout is useful for focused scheduling, the week layout gives you a balanced overview, and the month layout is great for long-term planning. To start adding tasks to the calendar, make sure your tasks have start dates or due dates assigned. Once those dates are set, the tasks will appear in the calendar automatically. If plans change, you can simply drag a task to another date to reschedule it. This makes updating your timeline fast and intuitive, without needing to open each task individually. You can also drag the edge of a task to change its duration. This is helpful when a task spans multiple days and you want the calendar to reflect that more accurately. If you want to create something new directly from the calendar, just click on a date. That will let you create a new task for that specific day, which is a quick and convenient way to build out your schedule as you plan. Finally, if you need to review or edit more information, click on any task in the calendar to open it and update its details. This gives you access to the task information without leaving your calendar workflow. Thanks for watching.